Hello, Joe here from INFINITI of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 INFINITI Q50 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We recently took this one in on trade for a brand new INFINITI. This one is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle, only 23,269 miles. And you can buy with the confidence knowing that it is certified pre-owned, so you get all the benefits you normally do of a brand new INFINITI. On top of that, they give you a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty directly from the manufacturer, and your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. 2016 is a fantastic year for the Q50 because it got a new twin turbo 3-liter engine replacing the aging VQ series engine. The new engine features direct injection, it's more fuel efficient, makes lots of power, and it's a smaller displacement than the other engine, so it helps save weight, making the balance a little bit better, a little bit less nose heavy. You have a drive mode selector in the Q50 that makes changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings for different driving situations. The Q50 has a dual display system. In fact, it's actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. This one has a moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, Bose Performance Series sound system, and only 23,269 miles. Also has the all-season floor mats. Those rubber mats are definitely a necessity in our neck of the woods with our wet climate. This thing's in beautiful shape, really nice color combination in silver and black. Silver is such an easy color to take care of. The Q50 is built on an advanced frame chip platform. This platform is also shared with the Q60 Coupe, Nissan 370Z, the older G35, and a lot of other INFINITI products were built on this platform. The reason why they call it the advanced frame chip platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity moves towards the middle of the vehicle. That helps improve performance and handling through the corners. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. The VR30 engine, this particular one makes 300 horsepower, plenty of get up and go. You also notice this features a chip guard clear bra. It's a clear Scotch-Rite material that protects the front of the vehicle from stone and rock chips. It's done a great job so far, and will continue to do so as the years and miles roll along. This one is really in nice shape. I think you'll be really impressed with the condition. If you're in the market for a Q50, who better to buy a pre-owned INFINITI from? And then as far as INFINITI certified pre-owned goes, you can only get a certified pre-owned INFINITI from a new INFINITI store like us. Our techs work on these cars on a daily basis. They're very familiar with them. This one also is an all-wheel drive model. It features intelligent all-wheel drive. Great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, like conditions like this when it's dry, 100% of the power will go to the rear wheels. Why do they do that? Well, if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working all the time, it's going to reduce your gas mileage, it's going to chew through your tires a little bit faster, and by having that rear-wheel drive bias, it's going to feel like a rear-wheel drive sports car. But this Q50 has a brain that's constantly monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. This really improves your wet weather performance. Obviously the roads are pretty wet a lot in our neck of the woods. I don't know, 50-60% of our lives, if not more, we deal with wet roads. So with this all-wheel drive system, this thing just grips and goes. It really, that all-wheel drive system really enhances the performance in the wet versus a rear-wheel drive model. And if you're going to drive in the snow, you're definitely going to want all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy the vehicle you purchased from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. Thank you for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.